Cloud technology is shaping the future of IT, and Microsoft Azure is leading the way. Whether you're an instructor preparing students for success or an IT professional looking to advance your career, the Microsoft Azure Administrator certification is the key to mastering cloud infrastructure. And with Ascend Education, learners get the best hands-on experience to make it happen. The demand for cloud administrators has never been higher. 94% of enterprises now rely on Microsoft Azure, and businesses are actively hiring skilled professionals to manage cloud environments. This certification opens doors for students and professionals alike, giving them the technical expertise and confidence to excel in cloud administration roles. Our Azure Administrator source provides leaders with critical cloud administration skills. From identity management to compute and storage solutions, networking and monitoring, this course prepares them for real-world scenarios. Instructors can seamlessly integrate this curriculum into their classrooms, equipping students with the skills that employers demand. Students and professionals don't just study the theory, they apply it. Our advanced virtual labs let learners deploy and configure Azure services, just like they would in a real-world IT role. Whether you're gaining expertise yourself or guiding students through cloud administration, these hands-on exercises help bridge the gap between knowledge and application. This course is designed to support both professionals looking to advance their careers and instructors preparing the next generation of cloud administrators. Learners get hands-on experience managing cloud environments, while educators receive structured courseware that seamlessly integrates into existing curriculums. Here's what learners gain with our Microsoft Azure Administrator course. Instructor-led video lessons from cloud experts. Comprehensive text-based learning materials. Hands-on virtual labs for real-world experience. Practice exams and quizzes to ensure learners are certification-ready. Seamless LMS integration for higher education instructors. Join thousands of learners and instructors who trust Ascend Education. Whether preparing students for the workforce or upskilling as a professional, this course provides everything needed for real-world success in Azure administration. Here's why Azure Administrator certification is the right path. Cloud computing is the backbone of modern IT infrastructure. Employers actively seek professionals with Azure management skills. This certification validates real-world expertise and problem-solving skills. With Ascend Education, learners gain the hands-on experience needed to thrive in any cloud environment. The cloud is the future. Are your students ready? Whether you're training future IT professionals or advancing your own career, Ascend Education's Azure Administrator course is your pathway to success. Enroll today and take the next step in cloud computing.